Hi everyone, I just picked up some lobster and because my kids want to make some lobster rolls, so I have about five or six of them here, and this is the family recipe. So whatever my kid like to eat, I just put it in. But if you have your own recipe, don't mind me. I just decided to share with you. It's everybody different, so I hope you like what I make and make it for yourself. I got this lobster at H-Mart Korean supermarket. It's very fresh and it's a good size. It's not the soft shell. It's a hard shell. So this is after 40 minutes or so with the medium heat. So my kids are very picky. Whatever they ask me to put in, so I just do what they ask for. And if you have your own recipe, again, do it your way. And I got the hot dog roll, but this is the best roll. It's cut right on the top here, so it's the best. If you want to toast it, feel free to do that, but I like to keep it the way it is. So I'm gonna go in and get the meat from the lobster. So let's make the sauce. I only need 3 basic ingredients here. The first one, I need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and the chive that I picked from my garden. I need about 1 tablespoon. If you want to use scallion, you can use it. Basically, anything you want to put in the lobster roll, you can use it. Half a lemon, and make sure you get the seed out and then squeeze into the bowl together with mayonnaise and chive. And now you mix it together and set on the side. And we go on to deshell the lobster. Very easy. I use the scissor and cut the shell. When you steam the lobster and you see the white thing coming out around the shell, that means it's a good lobster. And also when you take out the shell, you can see the red thing right inside of the body, like below the head. That means it's good also. But it's really hard to tell before you cook. So get out the shell. You see I use the scissor. It's much easier than use anything else. The scissor you can just cut on the top and then take the meat out. Super easy. And I think today I'm going to use 3 or 4 of them. Take out the meat. You see that red thing? That means it's a very good lobster. Now on top of the lobster, you pull out the top and then you can take out there is the black thing on the top there. Make sure you remove that. I'm sorry everyone, my voice must be ridiculous and I'm so sleepy. I'm falling asleep many times when I edit this video. I tried to do this yesterday, but I just cannot do. So sleepy. Now I'm going to chop it to it's up to you whatever size you want to cut. I cut about that size. And I think I'm going to make it for them. My husband didn't want any and I don't want it, so I'm gonna make for them. I think I'm gonna make like 4 rolls for them. This is just a little snack for them. They're gonna eat later too. So I'm taking the meat from the claws out too. Anyway, everyone, I'm very sleepy, so enjoy the deshell, and then after that, I'm gonna mix it together and then put in the rolls. And I'm sorry for my voice. You must be sleepy to hear me talk too. So sorry about that. So last month when I went to the doctor and get my blood draw, and my blood sugar a little bit high, so and cholesterol it's normal. But so when I came home, I decided to make some drink, and I drink at night and then early in the morning with empty stomach. I drink about 2 weeks, and I came back and get my blood draw the other day. I told you from my last video on the Wednesday, and got the result today from the doctor and saying that my blood sugar got improved. And the day that I went for the blood work, I did not fast, nothing. I just went in and got my blood draw. But so I will share with you the drink that I make. It just nothing. It no chemical, nothing. It's just normal, but it working well. So my doctor told me that whatever you doing, just keep on going because it working so well. And so anyway, after this video, I will share with you how to make that special drink that only costs a few dollars. So now this is the meat that I have. That's a lot. It's too much. And I'm going to mix this in here. Remember, whatever you like to have it in your lobster roll, you can put it in there and mix it. You just open like this, and then you scoop up the meat and you put it right inside. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. It, everyone, this is my own recipe. If you want to try this, try it. You never disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and share the video with other people. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.